Hey, and welcome back. Today we're going to be continuing going over Glyph and making sure that the final pushes that I've want myself to work on are good and ready to be published by the weekend. I have run into a little bit of an issue where the recent build, for some reason, on the development mode, the chats save properly and you can view them in the chat sidebar. But for some reason on the build mode, it does not work. Where it doesn't render in the chat, so I can go ahead and select and like a model and make a new chat, and you could briefly kind of see it flash there sometimes, but overall I'm not seeing any chat actually being saved over here, and that's a really crucial thing to have. So what I am doing is I went ahead and looked at the folder location of where all the chats are saving. And so they're saving over here, and I can view in the terminal that they are actually being saved in that location. So it's not a matter of if the chat histories are actually being saved properly, it's just a matter of rendering them to the UI. So that should be a fairly easy fix. Alright, so I think we got it working. We're gonna see once it finishes building. Cool, so loading a model and hitting send. That works great. New chat. Works. It is glitchy over here, but for the beta, obviously I'm gonna not touch that right now. But yeah, nothing. My dumbass muted the microphone. But all you really need to know through this fast forward clip is that I am going over the next steps, and the next steps are to get the modern filters to work. Didn't mean to mute myself. I'm sure you didn't, you fucking dumbass. Let's see if it works. Let's go to the last page. Tiny llama like before. Make sure the page number is 1 before we send the query, because if we don't send it before, if we don't change the value to 1 before we send it, then we're kind of doing like two queries. We're doing one at that page value, and we're doing one at the correct page number that we want. Right, now let's try again. That works a lot better. What are the different types of searching, like the different methods for searching? I know there's things direct like text search, and then there's fuzzy search. Doing some research, it looks like the best thing that I should be using is fuzzy search matched with prefix searches. With prefix matching. So let's ask for that. With that, we did make it so that this works. Done with that. Okay, so now if I type this with the space in it, it should still bring up. Interesting. We've got that, and then that works. This should also still search. Hell yeah. Alright, now filtering with parameter size does not work. Damn. I made a Reddit post just asking people what they use like smaller LLMs for and stuff, and it is popping off. 50,000 views and like 70 comments on it. Crazy. I know that's not like a ton, but for me that is. I've never seen so many people reply to my question before. I got distracted. Fuck. Oh, I just refreshed the page. There's 144 people who've watched day 1. Why are you guys weird? Why are you watching this? I'm joking. I appreciate it. Let me check it out. 10 likes. Fuck yeah. That shit's actually so satisfying. Okay, we're getting fucking distracted again. Alright, so the filtering is working a little bit better. It is, however, only displaying certain number of models on each page. Cool, well, I think that works. So parameter size is working. Should add a by quantization feature here. Dolphin llama 3, 35. And with this, fuck yeah. Okay, cool. So model size works now. My NSFW filter does not work though. Gonna restart just because it did change backend stuff. So yep, now it's working. Ooh, uncensored Quinn. Gonna download one of these actually. After that, I want that to happen. Okay. Oh, that's easy. So if this is off and I click reset, stay off. Nice. That was the easiest one. Wow, these going through stuff is so much quicker when cursor actually gets it right versus when I have to do it myself, and it's insane. I guess that just makes me a bad programmer. Okay, I did this, and now that would mean I can test this. So most liked should be phi-4. What the fuck? Motherfucker. This search stuff is annoying me. Yeah, you work with that one. I did phi. Huh? Yeah, you're right here, you bitch ass, bro. That breaks it? Are you serious? Oh, because I'm small brained. Oh! 20 likes. Like this one. 50 likes. Then restart this page. Now we have some good models, and we can click order by most liked, highest rated, awesome, most downloaded, does work, and we can reset, and it comes back together. What the fuck are you doing here, bro? Awesome, awesome. Something broken. Crazy, my CS degree just is in the garbage. Sorting. You for real right now? Okay. 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 We need a counter for the number of downloads now. Alright, we're gonna test to see if this worked. Let's do Falcon 3. So this one right here. Number of downloads is 23. It's 23 there. And it is 23 here. I click on download. Let's make sure that doesn't update it. Yep, it didn't. So let's go ahead and click on any one of these, preferably the smaller one. See that this download started. If you go ahead here and do another pull, and we can see it actually did not increase. Okay, let's try again. Download, motherfuck. Oh, alright, cool. I figured it out. It works now. I was able to download it, and it was at 23, but now when I go back and look, I can view it says 24, and I can do it again just for demonstration purposes. It's down this one, download this one, and it should give me 101 right there. It starts downloading. I am probably also going to update this screen here. I think the remaining of this video is probably going to be me. I'll update the Fortify website for likes and dislikes. Then I'll update this downloads page so that it's a bit more responsive. Like, I don't want the model card to show up until it's done downloading. And things like, if I hit stop downloading right now, it just doesn't, like, it goes away, but it's not very responsive, and I don't really like it. And then that's pretty much it. I'll save the rest for a separate video. Oh, hi, Mochi. Say hello. Okay, I'll let you go now. But yeah, I'll work on this tonight, and it'll be part of the next video of me going through that. But yeah, it looks like we're good. I'm gonna take a break, have some food, knock these two things out, and then that'll conclude the video. I need it.